In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for personal productivity using templates. Trello can be a fantastic tool to help organize your tasks and projects efficiently, ensuring you stay on top of everything on your plate. Today, we'll dive into the process of creating a new Trello board using templates, which can streamline your setup significantly. Let's begin by creating a new Trello board. To do this, you'll want to navigate to the top of the Trello interface just next to the search bar and look for the Create button. Give it a click. This action is your starting point as it opens up the option to set up a brand new board. Now, setting up from scratch can be time-consuming, so Trello offers a nifty feature: templates. When you're prompted, you'll want to select the Start with a Template option. It's always a smart way to go, especially if you want to start with a structure that's already proven effective for others. Once you've selected that, you should see an option that reads Explore Templates. Clicking on this will take you to a hub of ready-made Trello boards, each designed for various needs and scenarios. Here's where the fun begins. You can browse through the Personal category. The templates here cover a broad range of personal productivity setups crafted by different users who, like you, sought to organize their personal tasks and goals. Whether you're looking to manage your daily errands, plan a personal project, or keep track of a hobby, there's likely a template that's been designed with exactly that purpose in mind. As you explore, keep an eye on the search bar located at the top right of your screen. If you have something specific in mind, such as meal planning or exercise tracking, just type it in. This feature will quickly filter through the vast array of templates to help you find exactly what you need. Once you stumble upon a template that looks like it will suit your needs, you'll want to click on it. This brings you to a preview where you can see exactly how this board is structured, so you can determine whether it aligns with your personal productivity goals. If it does, click on Use Template. You'll then have the opportunity to make it your own by adding a new, personalized title, selecting the Trello workspace where you'd like to house your new board, and deciding whether to keep the existing template cards. Opting to keep these cards can be beneficial if they offer a helpful framework or inspiration. Finally, click Create, and voila! You've just set up a Trello board using a template, ready to boost your personal productivity in a way that works best for you. Now, you can dive right in, add your tasks, customize the board even further if needed, and start experiencing a more organized and efficient personal workflow.